Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can add the estimated time of arrival or delivery of your product on the product page of your website on Shopify. So let's get right into it. Now, the first thing you're going to want to have is a product set up. And if I go into my product page, I already have one of my products here. This is just a test product, but it works perfectly anyway. It does its job quite nicely. And once you have it, you're going to go into online store, make sure to go into themes. And once you're here, click customize next to the theme you want to customize. Then from the top here at the home page, you're going to click here, go into products, and then select the default product template. Now I already have a custom liquid segment here, so I'm just going to delete it. But pretty much what you're going to want to do is go to the menu to the left, click add section under template, and then scroll down until you see custom liquid. Just click on custom liquid and you'll get a custom section where you can add your custom HTML code to then, well, pretty much show the estimated time of arrival. Now, as you'll see, this code is red since it has some errors. I'm not sure what the errors are. This is just some code that I found on the internet, so it is not guaranteed to work perfectly. However, if you have your own code or if you find any adequate code on the internet, you can just paste it here under the liquid code section in the edit page. And yeah, that is basically all you need to do. And once you save your changes and preview your site, those changes and the estimated time of delivery will be shown. And that's basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.